The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 leaks are starting to blow up, and if even half of these rumors are true, wow, we might be looking at the biggest upgrade yet in the Pocket series. From a Hasselblad sensor to insane slow-mo capabilities, faster charging, and smarter stabilization, this little camera could seriously shake up the vlogging world. Let's dive in. First off, the camera. DJI fans, listen up. Leaks suggest the Pocket 4 might pack a 1-inch Hasselblad-tuned sensor, boosting resolution to around 12 megapixels. That's a jump from the Pocket 3's 9.4 megapixels, and it could mean richer colors, cleaner shadows, and way better low-light performance. Video-wise, the rumors are even juicier. 4K at 240 frames per second for ultra-smooth slow motion, plus 10-bit color, D-Log-M, HDR, and even 3K at 120 FPS vertical video. Basically, this could be the ultimate pocket-sized social media machine. Next, the screen. The Pocket 4 is rumored to feature a 2.5-inch touchscreen, up from 2 inches on the Pocket 3. That might not sound huge, but trust me, it makes a big difference when framing shots or checking focus in bright sunlight. And despite the extra size, it's expected to weigh only around 190 grams. Still super portable, still pocket-friendly. Now let's talk stabilization. DJI's gimbals are already legendary, but the Pocket 4 could combine mechanical stabilization with upgraded electronic stabilization. Add in ActiveTrack 7.0 and you're looking at faster, smarter subject tracking even in chaotic environments. Faces, eyes, moving objects, all locked in with buttery smooth focus. For vloggers on the move, this is a game changer. Imagine filming a crowded street, a running scene, or even action sports, and having the camera do all the work. Battery rumors are also exciting. The Pocket 3 offered around 90 minutes of shooting, but leaks suggest the Pocket 4 could push a bit further. More importantly, charging might get a serious boost. Full charge in just 25 minutes, down from 32. That means less waiting and more creating. Exactly what content creators need. Then there's the creator combo. This rumored package could include a wireless mic, mini control stick, tripod mount, wide angle and telephoto lenses, ND filters, waterproof case, external battery grip, and even a Bluetooth live streaming module. Imagine getting all your essential vlogging gear in one box. If this pans out, DJI could make the Pocket 4 a no-brainer for anyone serious about creating content on the go. Timing and pricing? Still a bit hazy. Leaks hint at a late 2025 to early 2026 release, and pricing looks like it could land around $699 for the standard model and $799 for the creator combo. That's very much in line with the Pocket 3's launch pricing. Premium, but still accessible for creators who want high-end features in a tiny package. So what's the verdict? The Osmo Pocket 3 is already a killer little tool for vloggers, travelers, and casual filmmakers. But if DJI delivers all these rumored upgrades, Hasselblad sensor, bigger screen, smarter stabilization, faster charging, and the all-in-one creator combo, the Pocket 4 could dominate the handheld camera game for years to come. That said, these are still leaks. DJI is famously secretive, so don't rush to sell your Pocket 3 yet. But keep your eyes peeled. This could get official sooner than you think. And here's the real question. Would you upgrade if these rumors are true, or are you happy sticking with what you've got? Drop your thoughts in the comments because I want to hear what you think. And if you loved this rumor roundup, hit that like button and subscribe. We'll keep bringing you the latest gear news and leaks as soon as it drops. Until next time, keep creating, keep experimenting, and maybe start saving up. Because if DJI really brings the heat with the Pocket 4, you're not going to want to miss it.